What's up YouTube, Vik-Werks checking in another video for the 07 F-150. So today we have a Lubelocker. This is the part number right here, and the AFE part number 470W AODE as well. The reason I'm going with the transmission pan upgrade here, as you can see, and the Lubelocker, is because for one, it maintains the original design, has fans to cool it. Plus, on this particular brand, this company actually decided to retain the magnet that came with the unit itself on the original stamped pan itself. It has a drain plug and it has a sensor one. And the reason why I'm doing a Lubelocker is because it usually comes with this flimsy cork version or rubber gaskets, and I don't know, it's already warped, as you can see. So there you have it. You know, real live ordeal of rather than looking at forums or pictures of what the item is, and based on that particular ordeal and orientation and research, I'm sticking with this brand based on the design. So because of these two items right here, because it retains the magnet, and every other brand that I saw, not trying to frown upon them, didn't have that. So if you like what you see, you know, let me know. Hit the comments, hit that like button, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys then.